Earlier today, our office filed a civil forfeiture action against a criminal enterprise that is alleged to have committed multiple illegal acts in many Georgia counties, including here in Macon-Bibb. Before I go any further, please understand that the charges in the lawsuit and the associated criminal warrants are mere allegations. Each defendant is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. A law enforcement investigation spanning many months has uncovered evidence of illegal commercial gambling in a number of convenience stores across the state, including 3 in Bibb and Peach counties. 6 of the stores were searched and seized today as a part of a racketeering lawsuit filed by my office today that names 41 individual defendants and 61 corporate defendants in a statewide illegal gambling conspiracy. In addition to the gambling allegations, the defendants are also accused of money laundering, conspiring with another to submit false tax returns to the Georgia Department of Revenue, and failure to pay more than $10 million in taxes. As you'll see in the lawsuit filed today, defendants Nasiruddin Virani, Rohil Virani, and Junaid N. Virani, through Georgia Atlanta Amusement LLC, Amusement Stops LLC, and Amusements Pro LLC, corporations controlled by the Viranis, along with the Viranis' associates, agents, and employees, are accused of placing electronic gambling machines at purported legitimate businesses across the state, so customers could illegally gamble for the chance to win cash prizes. To be legal, the games must require some element of skill for a customer to win. Cash payouts are prohibited. These defendants, we'll call them the GAA defendants, own more than 650 gambling machines placed in approximately 130 purportedly legitimate business locations across Georgia. Most of the locations are convenience stores, while others are storefronts established solely to support the many casinos created by the illegal gambling. As stated in the lawsuit, beginning in July 2015, all gambling machines in Georgia were directly connected to a central computer system that records the amounts played and customers' winnings. In 2017, customers inserted approximately $65 million to play the GAA defendants' machines. They won about $46 million. The GAA defendants have not paid required sales or use taxes on the $46 million. The GAA defendants' net profit for 2017 alone was approximately $19 million. It's estimated that the GAA defendants owe more than $10 million in unpaid taxes, in sales taxes and in use taxes, for a period beginning in January 2015 and continuing to today. Georgia law prohibits gambling machine owners from owning the stores where the machines are placed and vice versa. According to the allegations in the complaint, the law enforcement investigation has shown the Viranis use straw men, Saeed Farhan Jafari, Saeed Shan Jafari, Saeed Salman Jafari, and Saeed Kamarat Jafari to set up and operate stores in Bibb, Clayton, Crisp, and other counties. Owning the stores on paper, but allowing the Viranis to illegally collect both the 47.5% profit due to them as master license holders and the 47.5% profit owed to the store. State law prohibits either location or master license holders from collecting both portions. Essentially, you can't be both a wholesaler and a retailer. According to the allegations made in the complaint, the Viranis haven't filed tax returns from 2015 to today and have paid no income taxes. They've laundered millions derived from the RICO enterprise by purchasing over $25 million in property throughout the state. One of these properties includes their home at 777 Blackfoot Trail Gwinnett County, Georgia. The Varani's home and the Jafari's home, located in Alpharetta, were searched as a part of today's operation. Georgia law prohibits master license holders like the Varanis from offering anything of value to businesses to persuade them to place gambling machines in their stores. As alleged in the complaint, Rohil and Varani has been recorded on video paying $10,000 in cash to a store to induce the store to place GAA gambling machines at the location. Additionally, as stated in the lawsuit, the illegal use of gambling machines is a contributor to violent crime. In Macon, Bibb County, there have been at least 2 murders that have a relationship to gambling machines. One of the murders has a link to a store included in this lawsuit. 17 stores and 3 master licensees were placed in a court-ordered receivership today and will remain in receivership during the pendency of this case. It will be up to the receiver and a judge whether the businesses continue to operate. Several arrest warrants were served today on defendants accused of commercial gambling. This is an ongoing investigation and more arrests are possible. Again, the defendants in the civil and criminal cases are presumed to be innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. We'd like to thank Clayton County Judicial Circuit District Attorney Tracy Graham Lawson and Cordele Judicial Circuit District Attorney Brad Rigby, who have also been involved with this operation, along with officers from the Georgia Department of Revenue who led this investigation, Bibb County Sheriff's Office, Clayton County Sheriff's Office, Crisp County Sheriff's Office, Gwinnett County Sheriff's Office, and the GBI Commercial Gambling Unit.